Whoa, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something special from a content creator, Rocky Mountain Ralph, also known as Devin K. So I will try to drop some links in the description as to his platform links. And this is from a public auction, but pre-invite via his Discord channel. So again, it's worth checking out his platform link to get into his Discord, and then you can get pre-invites to some of these cool auctions. This auction was actually part of a series that went over several days, and were pretty rapid because he had a lot of items he wanted to move out to make room for new stuff. So again, Rocky Mountain Ralph. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see what we got. Again, a lot of stuff went through the auction, and let's see here. I believe I just happened to pick up one item this time around. Some other participants got multiple items, but I just got one. And you can see here already. It's camo. It's large. And it's just one thing, and ready. We can unzip this. I'm making a lot of noise here, sorry. The label is Dakota Outerwear Company. And from North Dakota, Minot. And what this was a contract ordered winter parka. I can already feel from the material. It's quite thick and insulated. You can see from the quilting here. Let's just do top down. All right. We got split hood. So not something you see every day. You can see here hook and latch already here on the brim. So we already got a lot of features there. Let's see, the faux fur lining transitions to this soft faux kind of pelt lining, I guess is the only way to describe it, as opposed to this traditional, more Arctic, almost coarse brush fur, I guess is the best way to describe it. Again, the camel pattern. Kind of a modern take on, your woodland camo. Okay, we got drawstrings, cord lock. Cool. Snaps running down here. You can see, though, they're staggered here, especially they're quite tight at the waist point. And you can guess why. You get a lot of pull when you bend over and stuff in that area, depending on what you're wearing underneath here. Okay, I was just checking out the sleeves. We do have this pocket here on this side. Let's see. So here you got kind of like the flare pen pockets, very thin. Zipper. What else we got? Inner pocket. 2 snaps, pretty deep. And I'll just continue working our way down here. You see here, this interesting little triangle reinforcement there. Single snap. This pocket actually only goes down to about that far down. Interesting. So kind of a glove pocket. And let's look at the other side. Let's see here. Yep, again, the same depth on this lower pocket. This one also has the 2 snaps, goes down to about here, so it's pretty deep. And let's see, cord locks at both sides on the bottom. Again here at the waist, and again here, up here around the hood. So I count 6 cord locks. Let's see, the pocket up here, a little triangle there as well, reinforcement. Let's take a quick look at the back panel area. As you can see here how this is stitched, where the one cord goes around, lower cord here, and pretty wide back area, clean, no like map pockets or anything. So this is also meant as an outermost layer. And another look at the quilting, and this one inner pocket here. So you got kind of a natural pocket from it being sewed on, and then another pocket here, actual on the front. Another look here at the quilting. So this is again a Dakota outerwear, Minot, North Dakota, and you can see here Woodland camo and the model number. And this was originally a contract order item. And again, this all came from a public auction, private pre-invite via Discord from Rocky Mountain Ralph, also known as Devin K. And I try to drop some links again in the description. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.